testing. I am testing. This is a bad trade. I thought I'm on demo, but actually I was on combine, so I exited. It doesn't mean it's a like good strategy, but I almost got wicked out. But I would have been in take profit, unfortunately. I was not paying attention what account I have right now. I see I have the right account. On top of that, we see. Okay, so um, today is a day where I'm back from vacation. I had almost 2 full weeks of the trading. I actually didn't have much like time, or I didn't put a lot of effort of thinking about it. I just followed the markets, but I didn't trade. I didn't even open my laptop. I just opened trading view on the phone just to check it out, how it's going on, and followed some news also. But for today, I am like I don't know how it's gonna be. Obviously, I want to see the volume. Not a lot volume. Not at all. Not a lot volume before the open. It's not massive. We are trading in a zone where I don't know what's gonna be. I marked some fresh, mm, fresh those. But actually, you know what? I have to remove the pivots because these pivots are from day off of July 4th where there was no trading. So the pivots are not giving me any information whatsoever. So today, look at this level actually, I marked it yesterday and today it got touched precisely to the point. And let's see. Well, before they open, well, if we actually break that, that by that might be my trade on 100 tick chart, this lower low. And let's see, I wanna exit the pivots and I wanna 22907, 22907, and this. I want a global and also that's one 600 is another level. Another level. 602. I think I removed that one. 422. Let's see. Did I? Yeah, the second one is 3. I changed a little bit, which is why I need this to go. And I want this to 22333. Okay, it's about here. Magic. And the next one is in 602. These are just my levels. It's not the options, not anything. It's just from the charts, the way I marked those. Okay, so good. Let's see. Can we drop through here? It would be massive on the open, or we bounce up. I don't know. So here we go. One trade at a time. Okay, one trade on a tick chart, then one trade on 5 minute, and or two trades on 5 minute, if whichever comes first, if a 15-minute second 15-minute break is happening or it's a 5-minute break, which one's happening first? We're trading that one. We don't have any like gaps or something that to fill. I mean, we are coming to the highs maximum kicking in. But okay, I need just to watch that because here I don't see the open seconds, that's a little bit a problem. And I don't see the timer, which sucks a little bit. Oh my bananas. Okay, that changed something. Okay, so timer, bar timer, but mm, time, quantization. I don't have that. Okay, I'll just have to probably, um, okay, I'll watch that on this one. Okay, 3 minutes. Um, Today after the vacation, I am calm. I Overall, I'm thinking in a 5 minutes, I will see the drop for there. I mean, it's a very tempting place to drop and to bounce back. To go through here, and to turn around. That's I think we'll have to grab this liquidity. If we break down, yeah, obviously we have lots of room to this resistance. But from what I see, I suppose we are on the five on 100 tick chart. I think we're good for my 60 ticks. It's awesome. It's gonna be awesome. I'm telling you. Uh, yeah, the market's is a little bit in a downtrend this time, but also the volume is like dropping overall. Look, the volume is not rising, So what I like this day, it's on no volume at all. This day, like the volume is half or even like something. Okay, if we take a look at this, so it's obviously a okay, this one, like here. See the blue line. So we are here on fourth or third of volume, which has been going up, been going here. But even the times where, yeah, it's just so low volume. So I don't think this, like everything tells me it's not sustainable. It's not gonna continue to the upside for a long time. It's gonna drop. So we have these targets for the drop. That's maybe this one at least, which is very, very plausible, and I think I can monetize on that. And okay, so this one to this, like it's so easy target. It's just oh boy. Okay, so 30 seconds. Let's see. Let's just okay, it's all good. I'm ready. My system is ready. My accounts are ready. One trade of the open. Okay, let's see, boys. Let the market do this thing. Why I'm not getting the uh I should be yeah, this break even. Okay, should I leave it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it. Okay, I actually was a bit late on that, or I was probably I wanted to leave it actually because I don't see the resistance here. But one trade at a time, okay? One trade at a time. Nice. 60 ticks. I was actually wanted to remove my take profit because like I'm seeing here, which could be a potential target, you know. Let's see. No, I'm not. I'm leaving it off right now. Okay. Okay, so that would have been breaking. Nice. So, did we, by the way, get the 90? Yeah, we did get the 90, which is also amazing. Do you want to see the drop through here on 50s for 50s? Is it plausible? Do I want to still trade that? I don't think so. It has difficult times to going up somehow, but from it can go both ways actually. Okay, it's going down, I wanted to say, and we're going definitely. Okay, I don't want to lose this, by the way. It's 2 minutes to end the game, and we're risking 250. I don't like doji candles for that particular setup because that doesn't give me a good indication of a stable market. That's the case. So, but I promised myself today I will not look at anything else because it's after the vacation. And all I want to do is just execute the trade, execute my setup. So, we have 70, which is 30 contracts for now, but we still have 2 minutes, and it will obviously be dropping down through here, which is why, like, I think we're gonna end up like here on this first 5 minutes, like here, I mean, and then we will have to follow what else we got on this side. I would prefer not to break it right now, but from what I see, it doesn't ask my permission to do that, right? It's just going down in this direction. So we have 1 minute left, and okay, I will delete that for sake of quicker reference because I see right now that yeah, this is like I was, you know, I know what's gonna like that that has to bounce back for me to take the trade right now. But on the other hand, maybe not necessarily because I told myself I'm gonna just trade what I see on the charts. And look at this actually huge range, which I don't like. I cannot enter with two contracts. What I can do is enter only with one contract for now, which is 160 risk, which is amazingly bad for my um but you know what? From what I see, I feel like that's a doji of the dojiest dojis in the world. Mm, I would, I, you know what? I don't know where to go right now. I don't know where to go right now. We have 160 ticks, and that might be a V shape also with the W here and come back to the VWAP. I mean, that's all the possibilities in the world. This doji doesn't give me lots of confidence because we took those lows, obviously. That's where people want to buy or something. And right now, what we see, like, how gee, it didn't touch, by the way. It didn't touch 22,900, which is interesting. So, okay, so this day is, if we, if we drop through here, yeah, I'm obviously have to take one trade at a time, but probably I will want to enter. Just let's see. This is like this area is just wanted. It would want to be bouncy very much like this one because lots of orders and stuff like that. So from here, I just want to see how it goes. Um, yeah, because this flush, like it might happen on, it's just a bit dangerous, I think. Like I would rather enter a bit earlier. Because if we go there, we flush definitely here, but we bounce here and here. If we, I could even enter with two contracts right here with this risk, because from here, yeah, I could do that actually. Because if we enter here, I'm not feeling that it might come back here. It just looks like an area to like lots of interest. And if we just get out of there, if we get out of this mess, like through where's my I would love to see where I'm at. Can I? I'm not telling that I'm very like I know what I'm doing, but also, well, for the upside, I have less conviction in all that. Oh my God, oh boy, I'm loading probably like 5 years of data. Shit. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Just keep on doing, keep on seeing. Okay, if I do I like here? Mm, I okay, 99%. Okay, is this like I mean, obviously it's where I should be entering with all my respectfully and stuff like that. But will it like let's take a look at this structure right now, okay, boys and girls. So this is exactly lows and highs of the open 5 minutes, first 5 minutes, which is yeah, okay, which is right here. So I'm thinking that if we like, there's so many possibilities right now. We are in the middle of something, and I don't want to take a trade unless we just sell off like that. And we came back to this area, so if we bounce back and we break through that, so I'm more willing to long. Mm, but we do have like the range is huge. That's the problem, a little bit of a problem, because realistically, I mean, I could just okay, so we are actually going down, I think. Overall, I'm thinking shorts more than longs. Mm, and I think that I would even rather like here come back, retest. What could happen? I want to take a short right here actually, but if I enter here, I think with this risk, I'm willing to take that trade. Yeah, yeah, I'm good. I'm good with this. If we drop more, we do that, we come back, we retest that, and we take two of this, and with this risk. Okay. What is that such a little risk? Okay, this is the trade I'm gonna go in. Well, I talked myself into this trade, right? I talked myself into this trade. I don't know. It didn't give me a signal, by the way. I just talked myself into this trade, which is like I'm a bit in a pickle right now. Okay, that was market didn't do what I was expecting. And so, do I want to reverse? No, I shouldn't actually. It's just see, it's kind of barcoding in the way. It's double top. We don't take trades on double tops. It's just I don't know how I'm still in this game, but that's weird. Okay, I think I made a pretty big mistake for falling in for this trade. Like, we're still in the middle, still in the volume shelf, still in everything, and right now we are slowing down for this. We're approaching VWAP, we are touching the VWAP, so the big issue is whether why I'm taking two, because my risk will be 50s. We will definitely, okay. My risk will be 50. Yeah, from this candle, what I see, it's gonna be 50. From the tick chart, I wouldn't be so sure about 50, but because like it's a big possibility. If we go up like massively, then I'm in the pickle. So, oops, sorry. Is it true like 150 ticks? No, I was watching the wrong thing. Okay, so good, good. I can take three here. Usual. That's 75 PNL for one contract, and I was looking at ticks and I mismanaged my risk. Okay. So by the way, actually, yeah, I should have gone with this risk. Jeez, okay, just wait, The opening doji never provides a nice opportunities because that means that market is indecisive, doesn't know where to go, and it can shift. It can obviously go somewhere after some time, and I like the way the speed is increasing. Um, but like that would be two trades of not my setup in a row, which would put me in the danger spot of over trading. Okay, so right now I'm waiting. There's lots of places to go wrong. We're still in this, like everywhere. We are everywhere. That, so I'm just watching. Okay, I'm just watching the markets develop. I'm in the profits today. I wasn't. I like that's a nice solid profit. I know it's not 1,000. I know it's not my daily risk limit, but it's quite a nice target. So let's see. Now we are dropping down, and I could even put the order in for a like flush to at least this area, because like from this setup that I quite like taking is one, two, and third, right? Third break. But like it's overall, it's a bit of a right now shift to the upside. Overall, it's downtrend. I don't know. It doesn't. It's a matter of how you look at it, from what perspective you're looking at it. You know, and so you just don't know where it can. Okay, so I'm gonna like put my order here for my exact setup, and I want to see how it develops. from this, like, I mean, we're very ranging. And overall, like, we are very ranging. Like, look at these 5 minutes. But the good thing is that I have seen such days, and I wonder, do I have an example of that actually? Let's see, do I have an example of it where it's been barcoding and the barcoding just broke after some, no, I think when I was on vacation I saw something similar to that. Do I have it like this? Okay, no, not the case. Not the case. Yeah, like here, look, it was barcoding and then it just at one moment it decided to go and it didn't stop. Like it went, broke everything and etc. So this is what I'm kind of would be ex like waiting for in a good scenario, but obviously everything can happen, anything can happen. I like this huge range, and the places where I would take a trade are quite promising for a bigger move of, okay, so I'm putting this away. I'm painting my regular 5 minute levels or Fibonacci's, but it's not Fibonacci's, it's just my levels. Okay, so this is what I have, and now we started a 15-minute, which in one way is going, from what I see, be in smaller range for now. Oh, by the way, I am going to take a trade on ES no matter what on the demo account for the school run. Okay, I actually don't like what I see. I mean, this barcoding is not promising in any by any means. It just it looks like it might be the boy, sorry, not the one, not the one, or the one global. Okay, the target is right here. So break that, go there. Okay, so for the target, um, maybe 75%, like right here. Yeah, this would be my better target, but that's okay. I'm gonna take that. And for the upside, it's not the highest. Okay, we break that, we'll bit go, we tease that 50, and we don't take the 100s. It might happen. Okay, okay, so we are now becoming a little bit. Can I? Jesus, I'm lagging like. So, look, what is this? Oh, it's 15 minutes. Okay, so are we going to break for the highs and then come back to here? I mean, that's if we take out my that's I'm willing to take. Is it if it's gonna continue that way, like the bullish way from here to now shift to the bullish and make a higher high, I'm good with longs. I mean, I don't have a choice, but actually, I should not be putting this. Yeah, so this. It was with the long history, so that's why I might be a little bit lagging. Okay, so I'm gonna take. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna take that trade because we are definitely gonna go through there. What the? Thank you. We're gonna hit those. It's just what I usually see on the. I mean, it's easy target, and I have very little risk right now. It's easy prey, easy target. I mean, it's just it wants to touch that. What's that? Oh, okay. Look, it's just 1 week away. 1 week away. I'm very comfortable with that. I would been triggered anyways in this target because I right now what I see the change in the momentum, the change in the speed, and I see that it's just going. It does it like you see it does it many times or like a lot of times. It does the same thing. Okay, so I've been triggered, right? And right away, what I'm seeing is that do we want to move the stop loss to this area? Because, like, let's see a bit of a structure, but I don't think we can. If we come back to 50s, uh, it's just gonna be like I don't know. It's not gonna be. We will go through there. Okay, if we come back to 50s, we will obviously come back to this zone. Like, I mean, we can this trend. Okay, look, if we come back here ish, okay, I think it can happen while I'll speak. But okay, let's do two touch points. Okay, two previous touch points. If that come back here, okay, we have some room actually here. Can we adjust it to the trend line then? I mean, I'm having what 60. Okay, so it's 100 risk. That's very little risk. But the problem is that I might get hit on that because of this risk. Do I want to move like Jagger? Do I want to move it back? Um, this market doesn't give me lots of conviction. I mean, if it comes back to 50s, there's a big chance we'd still come back here, and we have this like overall. Yeah, it's a bit of a structured difference in this one. I would love to see the upside potential, but it's just not always what you can get. And today we had this doji. So my stop is there. Like, how many times we touched the 50s? Isn't it enough? Isn't it enough? I have to make a decision. Do I want to put that there or not? Are we coming back to 50s to grab that or not? I mean, I'm leaving this, okay? This is my wait, what? I still wanna yeah, I'm gonna get triggered. Market is shitty ass market. I mean, is it a mistake? Okay. The school run. No, I'm not gonna take the trade on the school run. I'm just gonna. Yeah, I got wicked. It seems so, at least. Seems like I got wicked. I moved my TP too early. Stop loss too early. Yeah, I just. If we break down, yeah, but it stopped here and we just touched the 50s. And yeah, For a stop loss to be on 50, the market wants to touch those levels, that's the problem. Which is, I think, I was afraid of this market because it's just so dodgy. Market is dodgy. Okay, if we break down, then yeah, we're definitely attacking again with those 50s, and it looks like we're coming back to this area of volume. I mean, it definitely looks like that. I would even take this like target for the downside, but I'm not doing anything okay right now. I'm concentrating now on ES, right? Which is, I just wanna see how much risk am I doing. 300. Okay, so I don't think that we're gonna have before that. Is it possible to go like this before it? I mean, it's yes, it doesn't move that violently as this thing does. Yes, looks bullish, and probably, yeah, I got stopped out exactly where I was. Oh well, not the worst day as a comeback, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, it's not time yet. We have 2 minutes left. It's just a matter of where my. Jesus, it has such a hard time of going somewhere. So I think if I get triggered in that, it's still a trigger for longs. It's hard to believe it's gonna go short today. But we can be stopped for nothing. Like that's all also a big possibility. Okay, 1 minute left. If that obviously can happen, but I'm not. I'm just yeah. It's like waiting for something. That's stupid. Uh, okay, I think like for today, it was everything is for a reason, right? I told what I was thinking, and market didn't do what I was thinking. It didn't do at first here somewhere here. Yeah, it didn't do there. Then uh, it didn't do here what I wanted. So, by the way, we are coming down for if we take out this, yeah, it's not sustainable. I mean, not like sustainable, but it's oh, okay. Yeah, let's do this. By the way, what's my budget? I mean, what's my account size? 3,000. Did I reset? I think I reset it for 2,000. Yeah, I think that's what I did. Okay, so uh, I need just that to be exact, and I'm good to go. 21 ticks, so stop loss is 21, it's 42, and let's go. I hope it's working, right? And OCO, I hope that closes another target because I'm not. No, I'm actually doing both ways. Yeah, I'm doing both ways. I'm testing it. I'm just testing the yes. And by the way, NQ probably just yeah. Look at that. Look at that. The market is. It's nice that I entered here. I mean, like yeah, some. some intuition, some experience. I don't know. Here, it's a pity. Yeah, it's pity. But well, still, what can you do? And on this one also, I wanna take a trade on the demo with like this and this. Okay, with 250. I mean, no, it's not 250. It's let me see. I wanna risk 250, so yeah. Uh, actually, fuck. Okay, no problem. We'll put it here. What? Okay, okay, we'll put it here. Then there's no problem. See? I Yeah, I didn't trade that on this because I can still do it on a retest. If that does a retest. Hmm? Why I don't see these? Yeah. If that comes back to here on 4 contracts for a retest, I'm gonna take that trade with that much. Because actually I took too many trades already. No. Is that a wick? Like what? Is that truly a wick? Just for fun? Is this fun for you? Because it's not fun for me. Yeah, retest. Put a stop loss right here, which is where I'm at. Okay, I need to probably concentrate on this one more. 180. 180 for 4 contracts. Okay, so I will be break even today if that doesn't work out. And it doesn't look like it's going to work out. It looks like it's just up and down, brother. Like all day long, up and down, which is stupid. But like, I mean, I will lose all my profits, all of it. But I entered the school run. It's not a bad thing. This school run is, by the way, has a very like little like, jeez, oh my fucking lord. Okay. I'm not supposed to be like even the school run is telling me fuck off, bugger off, right? Where am I? Yeah, I mean, if it's going to bounce, it's going to bounce now, but I haven't seen from one bounce anytime. We still have some double tops, double bottoms, shit like that. Like, I mean, it's hopeless to hope that we're not gonna go through my stop loss, which will put me in like $20. That will hold. No, it's not gonna hold. It's just gonna wick. Do I close it right now? If that holds, brother. If that holds, this magic is gonna be magic. There's something crazy going on today. I mean, how is it even possible to hold that with that, like, brother? Wow, that was a closest call I have ever seen, and still it's coming back to take me out. It's not gonna be, yeah. So okay, okay. So what? I'm just a guy who gave back all the profits. Pity, huh? Don't think about getting it back, okay? Don't think about it because you're not gonna get it back. My decision to take this school run was it. How was it? I mean, seriously, how was that decision to take a school run? Was it an overtrading, revenge trading, or just making an excuse for it? How was that? You know, I just want to know. Honest me. I don't know. I don't know the answer, but I'm asking myself. I'm just asking myself honestly. Was it that? What was that? And since I didn't use properly, I'm now in the pickle because I think that in. I have a big possibility of winning actually on this school run, or not. I mean, was I? I have no answer. I mean, at one point I said to myself actually that look at the market. This is totally bullshit market. It's the doji market, right? But I still entered that trade. No, probably that was a bad thing to do. You know what? Because I used it as an excuse for myself to trade. I saw the momentum to the downside. I thought, okay, there must be a break to the downside. There must be volume increasing. So let's do it. Let's take that for the break of these lows that have been tested all day. Okay, so but okay, so I think I lost today. Yeah, for because of the commissions and I've been up like almost 400 and now I blew all that. So I'm thinking that the last trade was a bad trade because what I saw is it's not good. Okay, so I have to journal this. Um, I have to. Where am I? What am I? What am I trading? Oh, I'm trading still both of those. I'm even I'm on demo on Nasdaq and I'm on. Yes. Yeah, okay. So the demo is almost will be almost triggered. So I took it here and I also took it on. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, so Don't click any buttons, okay? Please, just don't click any buttons. Don't be stupid. Okay, see you.